looking at here? We're looking at a bird video. What the
But today we're actually talking about the bird scooters. You know those little scooters that kind of go around the city?
Green scooters.
Have you had any interactions with the bird scooters?
Say that again?
Well, I think the bird are...
I'm not from here. I'm from San Bernardino.
I keep seeing them popping up, the scooters. I don't have any strong feelings about it, really.
Isn't that annoying?
Hey, excuse me. Can I ask you a question? What is it about the birds that you find annoying?
The way they get parked. Yeah, but you're doing other things and you may not see them.
You may not see this, so that they're
Yeah,
unexpected.
Yep.
Okay, thank you.
First of all, I find that offensive. Game of squirrel. Second of all, what the am I looking at here? It's the street. Who cares? There's bird scooters on the street. Big whoop-de-doo. Oh, what the Yeah, it's just sitting there. Walk around, you losers. You know, it's annoying. I can't get around this bird scooter. Look at that. It's so small. It's like me's. It's about the size of me's. Oh yeah, so what? So there's 5 or 6 of them. You can't walk around. There's 2 cars there that take up 40 spaces of bird scooters. Nobody complains about that. Humans are so stupid. Look at this. They even got them by the bike racks now. Look at this. Big deal. Got 5 bird scooters. Take them and go somewhere, you fat ass. Okay, he's got this car doing this kind of illegal 3-point turn.
Excuse me, gentlemen. How are you doing today?
Good. All right.
Do I seem really excited?
Yeah.
Para mí son muy peligrosos. Sí, porque los niños tienen muchos accidentes y porque, por ejemplo, se atraviesan en los carros y pues a mí no me gustaría que, yo no tengo hijos, pero si tuviera yo jamás les compraría uno.
The scooters have blown up, and I'm thinking that they might be a little dangerous. So I see a lot of those people not wearing helmets when they're on those scooters.
Okay, so there's a bird scooter. I mean, what are we looking at here? We're just looking at bird scooters going back and forth, so he's going to get hit. He's going to get hit by that truck probably. Oh, he didn't get hit by the truck? No, too bad. Too many humans anyway. You all expendable. Okay, here we go. We're on a sidewalk. I can just hear all you humans. Oh, look, a bird scooter on the sidewalk. It's so dangerous. Look at him. He's moving to the side. He's a nice dude. Can leave him alone. I bet you there's a squirrel in that bush. I've been in that bush before. Not that I live in a bush, because I'm a intelligent being.
Now you're laughing nonchalantly. Do you disagree with that assertion?
No, I completely agree. I think that they're a terror on our streets.
Okay, now we've got some sun in our eye here. Can't see the bird scooter. Oh, I see what's coming. Bird scooter's riding it is dangerous. I'm gonna point it out here. So fucking dramatic. Look at this guy tootling along. The car's the problem, not the bird scooter. Look at this. What's this guy doing? He's doing nothing. He's just trying to cross the street, and this car comes and honks just because the car wanted to go faster than he was going.
Oh, just be careful of them. But let's not clamp down on everybody. Let's clamp down on Trump.
Ultimately, I think it's fine as long as you're consenting to be on it and you know that you're getting into a dangerous, potentially dangerous situation. I'm standing here, you know, in the line of cars, so maybe I shouldn't be talking.
Okay, let me narrate this here. You got 2 losers in a bike lane. Actually, you got 3 losers because there's 1 loser on a bike. This other loser wants to go left, but there's a truck in the ways. Okay, now he goes. You see, he crossed the white line illegally, but it was because the truck was in the way. Everybody's probably like, oh, look at him going all over the place. Well, there was a fucking truck going opposite him, okay?
They don't have to worry about finding a parking space.
Exactly.
Okay, now here, this This is a great example here of how bird scooters is not in the ways, okay? You got all this crap here. People are complaining about bird scooters. Look at this. This is a sidewalk that has no space, barely to get through. You got all that space for the cars. This guy's cutting across one crosswalk that people have, taken up by a car, of course. It's taking up everything. A little bicycle on the side there, not taking up any space. Look at that street. It's fucking huge. And you're worried about a bird scooter? Look at that. There's like 6 lanes on a side street. Look at this little bird scooter on the side. Big fucking deal. You know what, humans? Get over yourself. It's not that fucking big of a problem, okay? And here comes 3 or 4 more. They're kind of jutting into the sidewalk. She's still, even this lady gets room to go around. So what the are you worried about, okay?
It doesn't seem to be cooperating.
I mean, to be honest, like right now I just got out of my midterm and it's gonna be so much faster to get all the way across campus on this thing. Just the same as bicycles. And these things travel as fast as bicycles. I think the reason why people don't like it is because when people drive, they don't want anything in their way on the road.
Okay, now here we got a fast-moving scooter. I don't think it's a bird scooter. I think it's a modified scooter, which is commendable as well. You see, it's going down the street very fast. Okay, it's going faster than cars. Cars are the problem. They're clogging up the roads. Now this U-Haul truck, he should be on the fucking road because he's taking stuff. Okay, if you're taking stuff, if you're old, if you're fucking injured, or if you're too stupid to live close to work, then you gotta take a car. But you could take a train or something, and you could live by public transit. People bitch you don't have public transit, but they don't take it. You gotta do something to get something, okay?
How do you feel about the birds, the little scooters that people are riding now?
Very annoying, and they can be dangerous. And also, it's not just the scooters. You know, bicyclists and yeah, those skateboards are even worse, I think.
Do you feel like car drivers are more responsible than other people? Or?
And also, I think that the people you know, drive in their cars have an utter disregard for others, even when you're in another car. I'm in my lane and this guy missed me by about 3 inches because he wanted to get past the cars that were parked. It looks so much fun. I wish I could do it, but you know, I'm thinking somebody's gonna, you know, I'm old, so it's like somebody's gonna drive it to me.
Yeah, hey, Sherman Sitter here, talking about bird scooters. It's BS. Who cares? There's just stupid scooters. Get over it, humans. Look out, everybody, it's a bird scooter. This is like a behind-the-scenes video. What are we doing here? This is a fucking bad use of my time, okay?